Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Vocal percussion on a whole nother level, coming from my mind.
For our GOCLEAN Diesel version, we have dry stain and wet stain. Wet stain is clean the car exterior, and dry stain is clean the car interior. So you can see this is 2 stain guns. So for right now, to clean the van interior, we use the dry stain to clean it. So you can see for our worker that only needs the steam to clean the car interior, not with the chemical or shampoo to clean it.
This model is very good for the mobile cleaning. So during this special time, it's very popular to have the car sanitizing and disinfection business. Thinking what the material we need to use to doing this business. So GOCLEAN is the best choice for you.
The first man's name was Kiki. He wore such little pants. His brother was the champion, but Kiki loved to dance. The second man was Choo-Choo, a master of romance. He loved the damsel in distress, but not as much as dance. And then one day it happened. They went off to the world. They went on to a journey, idolized by the boys and girls. They learned so many lessons in all the foreign lands. But no matter where they wound up, they never stopped the dance.